Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I'm decorating for Christmas. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite things to do, and I love decorating now that I have such a wonderful front porch to work with. It's been so fun to experiment with decorating. So today I'm going to share with you guys a DIY that I did and just a few of the decorations that I decided to do in the front of my house. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season and I hope you enjoy this video. I'm just going to jump right in. Last year I really wished that I would have put a wreath on the front gate, but I just didn't get around to doing it. I had one on the front door. So this year I wanted to make sure I made one that I could use year after year on the front gate. I got a wreath on sale at Target, and then I got this bow from Target as well, which happens to match my jacket, which is also from Target. Not sponsored by Target, just obsessed with that store. And I just made a wreath that I can use every year from now on my front gate. Next, I'm gonna make a really easy DIY upcycled planter. I'm gonna turn it into a bell. So I'm just spray painting it outside. I actually have some bells left over from previous Christmases that I have kept, and I'm going to hang inside of this after it's had a chance to dry so you can really get that actual jingle. And then I'm gonna put a bow on top and it's gonna look and sound like a bell. I had some hanging planters on my front porch from the spring. The flowers died, so I decided to recycle the planter holders. I have some floral foam that I soaked here and then some cedar branches. I just basically got a wreath from the store that I took apart. So I have all the branches. I'm putting that in the floral foam. I have a shrub in my yard that has these really pretty, they almost look like red berries. I believe it's pyracantha, but I just saw it and thought it would look really pretty and festive in this arrangement. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a really simple arrangement and then I'm gonna add some lights inside of there. Just adds a little additional color to the front porch. I got some garland with lights in it from Target, and then I got some additional garland at Walmart. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this around the beams in the front porch as well. These were two that I got from Target, and I put them together and wrapped them around the first two beams, and then these have lights in them. It made for a really pretty and classy entryway, so I'm gonna go ahead and staple gun these only on the very top and the very bottom so they're easy to remove when I remove all of these decorations, and then I'm gonna turn on the lights and you'll see how pretty they are, especially when it gets dark. Now for the front door, I like to get wreaths from Trader Joe's. They have beautiful ones, they smell amazing. You can add ornaments on them. It's really your preference how much you want to dress them up or dress them down. But for me, I just put some battery operated twinkle lights on them. Those are reusable, so I use them year after year. And you can use them for all different types of decorating scenarios. I like to keep it really simple and classy, but it makes the front door look so pretty. In the fall, I found these really cool baskets for 50% off. These ones right here from Kohl's. I love it because I can use it season after season. I used it in the fall, and now I'm going to use it for my holiday front decor with this little baby tree I got from Vaughn's. I have these lanterns. The small one I've had for years. I decided to get this taller one just to add a little height. I got that from Target, and then I'm going to put these fake candles that I got last fall, and I used them for a tablescape. I'm going to put those in the lantern. Another really pretty tip, I didn't have any cranberries, but you can put cranberries at the bottom, and that adds a little color and dimension as well. I got these really cool light up battery operated trees for a good price at Target. I feel like that kind of stuff can be really, really pricey, but I got a trio of these light up trees from Target, and I'm going to put those in front of the mini tree on the left side of the door. So I don't really have stairs going up to my front porch, so when I want to add different elements, but I want to make sure you can see everything, I just add height. So I put the real mini tree that I got at Vaughn's up a little higher behind the trio of light up trees. So that pretty much finishes up how I decided to decorate my front porch this year. I feel like every year I like to do something a little bit different, be creative, have fun, and this is what we decided to do this year. So I'm loving it. It looks really pretty at night, and it's always fun to decorate for the holidays. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and keep an eye out for new videos coming very soon. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.